first buy call is on Jindal Steel and Power. The stock, after a sharp decline, has formed a morning star pattern on its long-term averages, which suggests a short-term bottom is in place. It has a strong support clusters close to the levels of 275 to 276. One can maintain a stop loss at 273 for an upside target of 310. My second buy call is on JP Associate. The stock has formed a very strong reversal pattern after a short declines on the intraday charts. It has a strong support close to the 57 and the volumes also look very supportive. The prices have managed to exceed the crucial hurdles. One can buy with a stop loss of 56 for an upside target of 62. In FNO strategy, we are recommending a buy on Hero Motocorp futures. The stock has observed a sharp decline from its recent highs and has been consolidating since past few trading session. It has formed a very strong base close to the levels of 2200 levels. So in that case, one can maintain a stop loss of 2190, and we expect a new high, or even the stock can even exceed that. So the targets would be close to 2300 levels.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Tata Global in the cash segment at 156 levels. I would hold these long positions so initiated with the stop loss at 154, expecting to book profits at 159 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short on Petronet LNG in the cash segment at 141 levels. I would hold these long positions short positions with a stop loss at 143, expecting to book profits at 138 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy April futures of Kane India at 368 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 364, expecting to book profits at 374 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
The first idea is MTech Auto. The stock has clearly seen a very strong build-up. It continues to see, sideways consolidation. We've seen about 1 week of consolidation between 172 to 176. I think a closing above 177 can really ignite the bulls and take the stock high to 195 to 200. So 173, 174 is a level to enter, and a stop loss below 159. You can expect targets of 200 in MTech Auto.
As of now, I would start with a Tata Global, a buy in a Tata Global, stop loss of 154, target of 167. The second call is a sell in a Jubilant Foods, which has given a very clear breakdown and on every up move should be sold into. Stop loss of 1025, target of 890. And a buy in ICICI Bank April futures for FNO traders, stop loss of 1245, target of 1314.
See, Nifty, basically you have to trade it on both sides. Chances are that if we go anywhere close to 6750, that is the point to buy it. On Bank Nifty, you should get close towards 12,700, 750 before you get into that index, because I don't think you will see trending like Friday. So that having been said, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6748, resistance at 6813 and 6847. Support at 6714 and 6649. Bank Nifty must stay above 12,706 and CNX IT above 9345. Now BTST from Thursday, Aurobindo Pharma was a buy with a stop of 546, target of 575. Voltas is a buy with a stop of 159, target of 172. McLeod Russell is a buy with a stop of 268, target of 283. Fresh calls, Mahindra Eugene is a buy with a stop of 270, target of 315. Sadbhav is a buy with a stop of 124, target of 142. Heritage Food is a buy with a stop of 270, target of 305. SKS Micro is a buy with a stop of 258, target of 282. JK Tire is a buy with a stop of 199, target of 216. And Arvind Mills is a buy with a stop of 186, target of 201.
I would suggest a buy on Sun Pharma with a stop below 611 for short-term targets of 650. Syndicate Bank appears to have completed a pullback and can be bought with a stop at 98.5, again for short-term targets of 105. And a breakout happened on Tata Global above 155, so buy that one with a stop below 153 for short-term targets of 165.